M. Venkaiah Naidu, Chairman of Atal Smriti न्यास Society, Ganesh Lakshmi Narayan, MD and CEO of Tata Communication, S. Shankar, President of Fertilizer Association of India, Pooja Garg, President of FICCI Ladies Organization, Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor, new Vice Chief of Air Force, Ajay Srinivasan, Ombudsman of Bihar Cricket Association, Punya Saliullah Srivastava, Chairman of Food Safety FSI, Lieutenant General Vijendra Vats, Director General of NCC, Deepak Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director of GAIL, Sangam Kumar Sahu, Chief Justice of Patna High Court, Nitin Nabin, National Working President of BJP, Sanjay Garg, Director General of BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard, Vivek Chaturvedi, Chairman of Central Board of Indirect Tax and Custom, Arun Kumar, Chairman of ONGC, new Secretary of Uttar Pradesh, Rajiv Verma, new Chief Secretary of Delhi, Pratya Amrit, new Chief Secretary of Bihar, Mithun Manhas, new President of BCCI, B. Sairam, Managing Director of Coal India Limited, Deepak Bhoga, Mission Director of Atal Innovation Mission, Ajay Seth, Chairman of IRDI, Ajay Singh, President of Indian Boxing Federation, R. Doroswamy, MD CEO of LIC, Prem Kumar, Speaker of 18th Bihar Legislative Assembly, Biswajit Sahay, Controller General of Defence Account, Anant Goenka, new President of FICCI, Lalu Prasad Yadav, President of Rashtriya Janata Dal, Naveen Patnaik, President of Biju Janata Dal, S. Raman, Chairman of PFRDA, Justice Bikram Seth, Executive Chairman of NALSA, Commander-in-Chief of Andaman Nicobar, Vice Admiral Ajay Kochhar, Alok Joshi, Chairman of National Security Advisory Board, Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit, new Chief of Integrated Defence Staff, Rajiv Memani, President of Confederation of Indian Industry, C.S. Shetty, Chairman of Indian Bank Association, ICAR Mangila Jat, 16 Finance Commission, part-time member T. Ravi Shankar, Director of Prime Minister's Museum and Library, Ashwini Lohani, Economic Advisor Council to Prime Minister S. Mahendra Dev, Santosh Yadav, National Highway Airport Authority, Arvind Singh Chauhan, IOCL, new Chairman, Managing Director of Meta in India, Arun Srinivasan, Chancellor of Chanakya University, Bangalore, S. Somanathan, Anuja Rathi Rana, first woman Law Secretary, Shishir Sinha, first Vice Chancellor of Rajgir Sport University, first woman to be appointed to important position in India and the world in 25-26. Sanao Takagi, Japan, first female Prime Minister, R.M. Namchammai, first female head of operational nuclear power plant in Kaiga, Karnataka, Sabha Sawal, first Kashmiri woman to head Central Jail in Srinagar, Iligan Hagen, first woman to become mayor of Miami, Manali Makarand Khaseer Sagar, first woman vice chancellor of Nagpur University, Harmanpreet Kaur, first female brand ambassador of PNB, Sonali Mishra, first woman director general of Railway RPF, Professor Uma Kanjila, first woman vice chancellor of IGNOU, Michael Dougherty, first female astronomer in Britain, Astha Punia, first female fighter pilot in Navy, first female president of Suriname, Jennifer Simons, Christy Coventry, first female African president of the Indian Olympic Committee, Shirley Boche, first African female secretary general of Commonwealth, S.B. Solanki, first female naval officer of the ADC, president of India, Netumbo Nandi, first female president of Namibia, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo, director general of WTO, Claudia Sheinbaum, first female president of Mexico, Lieutenant General Sadhan Saxena Nair, first female DG of Indian Medical Service. R.T. Saren, first female Director General of Armed Force Medical Service. Fatima Muhajirani, first female DG of Iran female government spokesperson. Geeta Batra, first female director of World Bank Global Environment Facility. Suman Kumari, first female spinner of BSF. Mark Rutte, new Secretary General of NATO. David Salvagini, NASA first AI officer. Dilemma President BRICS second. Dr. Tedros, Director General of WHO. Catherine Russell, new head of UNICEF. International appointment. Kiran Mani, OpenAI head of Asia Pacific. Sapna Pradhan, Nepal's new acting chief justice. Mujtaba Kamel, supreme leader of Iran. Jose Antonio Cast, president of Chile. Balendra Shah, prime minister of Nepal. Tariq Rahman, prime minister of Bangladesh. Bhumika Shrestha, Nepal first transgender female MP. Alogis Singh, interim CEO of World Economic Forum. Field Marshal Asim Munir, first Chief Defence Force of Pakistan. Khaled El Inani, Egypt Director General of UNESCO. Daniel Kaj, first Deputy Managing Director of IMF. Kristalina Georgieva, Managing Director of IMF. Robert Francis Prevost, new Pope Roman Catholic. Former Foreign Minister of Germany. Ivan Ziek and Elena Baerbock. Arvind Kesi, OpenAI Chief People Officer. Ghazala Hassani, Lieutenant Governor of Virginia, USA, first woman India origin. Deepak Mittal, India's ambassador to UAE. Krishna Gimesram, youngest solicitor of India origin in England. First Hindu chaplain in British Royal Navy. Banu Attari, Kas Patel, Director of FBI. First Indian origin president of American Medical Association. Dr. Srinivas Mukkamala. Sri Ram Krishnan Sen, senior policy advisor of AI, White House of Science and Tech Policy. Ashish Khanna, new Secretary General of ISA. Raja Randhir Singh, President of Olympic Council of Asia. Prabhanthani Harish, permanent representative of India to the United Nations at New York. President, Prime Minister of different country appointed in the year 25-26. Nepal Kathmandu, Balendra Shah. Venezuela Caracas. Ukraine Kyiv, Yulo Surikeden. Bolivia Surse. Cameroon Joseph Nigute. Tanzania Dodoma Michael Nachemba. Australia Canberra. Czech Republic Prague. Ireland Dublin. Tanzania Dodoma. Lebanon Beirut Nawab Salam. Canada Ottawa Mark Carney. Trinidad and Tobago, Port of Spain Kamala Prasad Besesar. Sri Lanka Sri Jayawardene Puri Kotte. Dr. Harini Amra Surya. Japan Tokyo Sana Takachi. Vietnam Hanoi. Mauritius Lord Louis. Britain London Keir Starmer. France Paris Francois Bayrou. South Africa Cape of Town Cyril Ramaphosa. Important obituary. Madhu Malhotra, actress. Supreme Leader of Iran Ali Khamenei. H.K. Dua, senior journalist. Mukul Roy, politician from West Bengal. Mani Shankar Mukherjee, Bengali writer. Ajit Pawar, Deputy CM of Maharashtra. Khaleda Zia, first female Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Madhav Gadkari, renowned environmentalist. Shivraj Patel, former Union Home Minister. Raj Kaushal, former Governor of Mizoram. Kumari Kamla, Bharatnatyam dancer. Dharmendra, legendary Bollywood actor. Asrani, Bollywood actor. Satish Shah, Bollywood actor. Jubin Garg, renowned singer. Ravi Nayak, first Chief Minister of Goa. Meghnad Desai, Padma Bhushan मिला इकोनॉमिस्ट. शिबू सोरेन, थर्ड CM of Jharkhand. सत्यपाल मलिक, फॉर्मर गवर्नर ऑफ बिहार, गोवा, मेघालय, JNK. ओल्डेस्ट मैराथन रनर फजुहा सिंह. जेम्स वाटसन, डिस्कवरर ऑफ DNA डबल हेलिक्स. गिरिजा व्यास, फॉर्मर यूनियन मिनिस्टर एंड फॉर्मर चेयरपर्सन ऑफ वुमेन्स कमीशन. मनोज कुमार, एक्टर, फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर. M.R. Srinivasan, former chairman of Atomic Energy. Pope Prince, Roman Catholic sect. Zakir Hussain, famous tabla player. Highest state of honor various country received by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Israel, Speaker of Nest Medal. Oman, Order of Oman. Ethiopia, Great Honor of Nissan of Ethiopia. Namibia, Order of the Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis. Brazil, Grand Collar of National Order of Southern Cross. Trinidad and Tobago, Order of Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Ghana, Officer of Order of the Star of Ghana. Cyprus, Grand Cross of the Order of Macaris II. Sri Lanka, Mitra Vibhusana. Mauritius, Grand Commander of Order of Star Key of Indian Ocean. Barbados, Honorary Order of Freedom of Barbados. Kuwait, Order of Mubarak Al-Kabir. Guyana, Order of Excellence of Guyana. Dominica Republic, Dominica Award. Nigeria, Grand Commander of the Order of Niger. Russia, Order of Sant Andrew Apostle. Greek, Grand Cross Order of Honor. France, Grand Cross of Legion of Honor. Egypt, Order of the Nile. Papua New Guinea, Grand Companion of the Order of Logo. Fiji, Companion of the Order of Fiji. Republic of Palau, Ibakal Award of Republic Palau. Bhutan, Order of Druk Gyalpo. USA, Legion of Merit. Bahrain, King Hamad, Order of the Renaissance. Maldives, Rule of Nishan Izzuddin. UAE, Order of Zayed. Russia, Order of Sant Andrew the Apostle. Palestine, Grand Collar of the State Palestine.